welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about new wallet that's name is OKX Wallet. Yes, you already knows about OKX Wallet and OKX Exchange. So in this video, I'm giving you complete information. How can you download, how to install, how to backup of your wallet, and how to create accounts. So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button if you need to get the more information about my YouTube channel videos. And if you get also same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You must subscribe this channel also. So let's start. Today we are going to set up our OKX account. First need to open OKX Exchange. OKX. Yes, you can see here OKX Exchange. OKX Exchange. Now you can see here OKX.com. This is a official website link where you can download, and you can see here the both link is shown here. The first link is without icon, the second is with icon. So I'm recommended to use the second link. So I'm going to click on it. And now OKX.com, the official website, is open in front of me. Faster, better, stronger than average crypto exchange. And there's all tools available here: P2P trading, express buy, third party payment, and also market opportunities, crypto trading, spot. Many options available here. If you need to trade, so you can just simple sign up this exchange, and after that complete your KYC, and then you can easily deposit, withdraw, and make the transactions. But if you do not want to KYC and you want to save your fund in your hand, so you will use wallet option, the Web3 wallet option. So I'm going to click on wallet option. Then you can see here the portal to the Web3 wallet, trade, NFT, and DeFi. So there's two options available here: the connect wallet mode, and also you can download mobile application, desktop applications, and Google Chrome extensions. So this time I'm going to use Google, so that I'm going to click on Google extension. You can also get the more information about cryptocurrency. You can see here access 70 plus decentralized network with the many more on the way, means 70 plus blockchains support Web3 wallet of OKX. So if you are going to create account on this wallet, so you must complete your search. After that, do this. I just simple giving you information for education purpose. Okay, so you can see here the Google Chrome extension option is available here. I'm just simple click on it, and now the Google extension is open in front of me. And OKX Wallet is a universal crypto wallet available on multi-platforms including app, web, and extension. And you can also see Google score here, 4.8 out of 5. If I need to add, simple I click on add to Google Chrome. Waiting, just add extension. And now you can see here the application is downloading. After complete the download, the wallet will be automatically installed in my Google Chrome extension. Then I will create an account. So please don't skip this portion. If you need to create account, if you need to use your OKX wallet. So I'm waiting for this. After, you can see here shown here one download in progress. Yes, you can see here the application is downloaded successfully and also installed in my browser extension. Simple, go to the extension option, and then you can see here the wallet is shown in front of me. Going to click on maximize, and you can see here your portal to Web3 wallet trade NFT DeFi app. There is two options available here. The first option, create a wallet, and second option, import a wallet. So I need to create a new wallet because I'm newcomer on this platform, so that just simple click on create a new wallet. And there are also two options available here, seed phrases and hardware wallet. Create a wallet by generating seed phrases, and second is connect your hardware wallet by the scanning QR code or using USB. So I have not this time hardware wallet, so I just simply use first option, seed phrases, because if I have seed phrases, then I can easily import or recover my account. Simple click on it. Now the next portion is set the password. Set a password to manage your wallet. Note that we do not have to store your password, can't store it for you. If you forget your password, you can set a new one by the resetting your wallet and re-importing. So keep in your mind, viewers, if you have not your phrases and you forget your passwords, you can't recover your account. Okay, so keep in your mind, you must also remember your password and also save your phrases in multiple places. So I'm going to enter the password. Just enter a strong password here, like your bank account, because this wallet is also necessary for you. You can see here I have entered my password. Both password is correct, so that the error is gone from here, and also you can see here the green bar is shown here. So click confirm. Now you can see here set the default wallet and multi-chain is available here. We support the following 82 networks. So there's two options available, maybe later and set now. So I'm going to click on set now. It's depend on you. And connect a wallet. Also stay your Web3 journey. You can see here the now option is available here. You have not backup your wallets. So I just need to backup my wallet. So simple, that is backup. Enter your password here, which is you have applied when you was create account. Now going to enter my password here. Now click on confirm, and my seed phrase is available here. So you just simple write down all phrases one by one in your notepad file. Like I'm going to type here notepad file here. Just simple type all your phrases, and please keep in your mind, if you make any mistake in your phrases, then you can't recover your account. Okay, keep in your mind. I'm going to write all phrases, and after I will check one by one all phrases is correct or not. And now last two words remaining, and now last one word is remaining. All phrases I have write down. Keep in mind, you must cross check. This video is only education purpose, so I'm not going to click on it. And now verify your seed phrases. The phrases number 2 phrases. This says phrases number 6. Battery. Phrases number 7. Correct. Now you can see I complete my backup phrase, and you can see here, viewers, I have successfully create OKX Wallet. I hope you properly understand how can you download, how to install, and how to create account and how to backup your wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And I will make more videos about OKX Wallet, so please stay tuned with us. And I will upload more videos how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to find private key, how to import your wallet with other wallets. So keep in touch with us with the YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. So I'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.